What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about keeping headroom in your track, so let's get right into it. So the reason why you would want headroom in your beat is for artists to get on there. If there's not enough room for the artist's vocals to get on there, if it's hitting 0 dB the beat or it's clipping, there's no room for the artist to put their vocals on the track. So you're going to want to have a good amount of room for the artist. Now, I would recommend like -2.5 or -3. You could even go lower, about -4 dB, -5 dB, however much you want. Just find one that fits you and your workflow and your style, and just go with that every single time on your beats. That way you always have enough room for an artist. Now, to put headroom on the track, very easy. When you're mastering, you're just going to want to put your ceiling to whatever dB that you want your headroom to be. So if you're going for -4 dB, you'd put your ceiling to -4. So the way that I master tracks, I don't use this regular ceiling knob and the limiter. I have a video that talks about how to master tracks with the limiter, soft clipper, and compressor. If you want to check that video out, you can with the link in the top right now. But essentially, I use the saturation knob as my ceiling, and the saturation knob is set at -2.6. So every time the transients would hit that, it would get soft clipped and it would stay around that dB range, giving enough headroom for an artist. I want to play the track just so you can visually see it. As you can see there, those kicks and snare transients are hitting that ceiling that I set. Now, this -2.5 for tracks could even be too little, okay? You might even want more, like -4 dB. It just really depends. I found for me, -2.5 works, but if you look, there's really not much space between 0, which is this middle line, and top transient. So really, if you'd want to give them a lot of room, go about negative. But like I said, just find something that works for you. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.